Hi guys, I want to give you a quick intro for how to set up your Google Drive. There will be times that you have to use your Google Drive in connection with and collaboration with your Google Classroom. There are going to be times that you have to pull items off of your Google Classroom and house it in your Google Drive. And your Google Drive is a way to organize this. It's kind of like having a folder, but it's digital. So I'm going to open my Google Drive by first clicking on the waffle that's right here. So I want to make sure that you can see everything that I'm doing. So here is the waffle, and I'm going to click that, and I'm going to go to Drive. So here you can see that in my Drive, I have a lot of my recent documents that you probably recognize from class. And then I also have here all of these folders. So I have 7th grade, 8th grade, Astro Club, all of these things are folders. And if you notice, this one looks a little different than this one because this one has a person in it. And all that means is there's multiple people collaborating on that. So don't worry about that now. But what I want to show you how to do is how to create a folder. So I'm going to click on this button right here that says New, and I'm going to click on Folder. And I'm going to call this Grade 7 Science. And I would think it's important to put in the teacher's last name too, so that in case you change teachers, you know who that's for. But you don't have to. You could call it Semester 1 Science. But it's really important to do this because every time you are pulling something off of your Google Classroom, it will go here and it will end up with a hugely unorganized mess. So creating folders at the beginning of the semester, one per class, is really important. So I'm going to call this Grade 7 Science first. Create. And now we can see that in my Google Classroom, I have this new folder. So now what do we do with that folder? So I'm going to create a document. And here's my sample document. And I need this to go somewhere. So I'm going to name it. And a lot of times if you have a title here and you click on this, it will just rename that. Now, one thing you need to be careful of is sometimes you're going to make copies of things. I do that by clicking on this guy here, File, Make Copy. And notice now it says Copy of Sample Document. So I want this to go somewhere though. So I don't want it to just go in my Drive. I want to select where it goes. So I'm going to click on my Drive, go forward. And remember that I just created that folder. So I want this to go in Grade 7 Hearst, and it should be all alphabetized. I'm going to click it, select, OK, and voila, now I have another one. So times when I have you make copies of things, I don't want the title to say copy of. Come on, copy of. What I want it to say is your last name. So I would call this Hearst sample document. Done. And I can check to see if it's in the right spot by going to File and Move. This is also how you'll move things. And now I can see it's in there. So what if I just wanted to move something? Say you've pulled something off of your Google Drive and you just need to move it to that folder, because there are going to be assignments that you have to take from your Google Classroom and you can't edit it. So you have to make a copy doing that same thing. So File, Make a Copy, and you have to choose where that goes here. Or there may be times when you just have to pull something off and put it somewhere. So if what I want is just to put something somewhere, I'm going to go to File, Move, and now I do the same thing. So here are all of my folders. Grade 7, Move. And that's it. So in this video, we've learned how to create Google folders, make a copy of documents, and move documents. So going back to my Drive, here if I look, wrong Drive, sorry, I have two. Now if I go to Grade 7 Science, I can verify that that's where they are. Here I can see the original document, and then here So here's the original. And here is the copy that I made. Original, copy. Remember, because I renamed that. Have a great day.